Introducing the not-so-bright side of 3D printed shoes. 1. High production costs. Advanced technology and materials make 3D printed footwear more expensive than traditional shoes. 2. Limited material options. Current 3D printing materials may not match the durability and comfort of conventional footwear components. 3. Technical complexity. Integrating 3D printing into existing manufacturing processes requires specialized expertise and equipment, posing challenges for widespread adoption. Facing these hurdles, the path to sustainable 3D printed footwear seems less straightforward. Visit 3dshoes.com to explore more.